I have a dream. Not an awesome dream, and this is where Lionel Richie and I part company. My dream is, in fact, a very terrible recurring nightmare in which everything is exactly as it really is. In fact, I'm having this dream as we speak. Maybe you are too? I thought so. The question is, what are we going to do about it? Come on! Come on! Oh, yeah! Come on! Come As you know, yesterday, May 7th, was the beginning of my 365-day quest for financial independence. Not May 6th, as was reported in the graphic. I was using a 2-year-old calendar. I have a system, and it's a pretty good system. But I think I need a better system. Here's another way of representing what we intend to do to achieve financial independence. Now you will see on the left in red, she represents our yearly expenses. And let's say those are around $60,000. The girl on the right represents our passive income, which now is negligible. And here is what we intend to happen over the course of the year. See? That's all there is to it. Now's the part of the show where I answer your questions with a question. The first question comes from New Jersey. New Jersey would like to know why this show is so far not very interesting. My response is this: how interesting do you expect it to be when you haven't found me a video editor, a camera operator, a lawyer, a sidekick, and Jamie Farr? Find me these things, I'll give you an interesting show. Come on! I have to use it. Nature's calling. Calling me to go to the bathroom. I don't know about you, but I like to get a certain amount of work done before I take a potty break. It can be really frustrating to have to interrupt your train of thought to empty a bladder. Even if it is your own bladder, which I guess in most cases it is. Nobody really wants to drain the donkey or leak the lizard, manage the monkey, cure the cobra. But this is a mistake. For one thing, there are health problems. I'm sure of this. So sure that I have not done any research on the topic. So you can take that to the bank. On how long does it take to pee? I mean, especially if you're a guy. I don't know anything about women, but you're a guy. What, the work is gonna disappear after 30 seconds? Or a minute, I guess, if you wash. Do you have to be in total control all the time? I know I do. And that's not healthy, of course. So the best thing to do is to pee when you have to pee. And if you really can't be interrupted, then just sit on the throne, do your work, and do your business. Excuse me a second. Okay. So, if you just give up this little bit of control and answer nature's call, you'll be surprised.